Hello guys, today I'm going to show you on how to install Hermes Agent with a clean interface. This is called the Hermes One. I will give the link in the description. Just click on download for Windows. This smart screen warning will pop up. It is nothing harmful. You can just click on keep. Now we will run the setup. Now it's installing. I had already downloaded the setup file. It will automatically open up, as you can see. You can use any of the AI provider. If you have any of the AI key, I will just click on local because I already have a model installed. I will just click on Olama and I will give all these detail later. And as you can see, it's installed. The setup process is very easy, and this has more skills and more features than the original Hermes agent. As you can see, the office is already installed. There's a Kanban option you can give to do schedule ready running, and all the tasks will show up over here. You can add schedules, and if I chat, the chat will show here. Is we will add the model which we will be using. So first head on to the providers. Use whatever provider you're using. If I had selected Olama Cloud, and we'll just head on to the website olama.com/settings/keys. You can just click on add API key, give whatever name, and it will generate an API key. Now you will head on to this credential pool from here and just click and just paste the API key. Then head on to the models, and here I've selected Minimax M3 Cloud. You can put whatever model you want and just type hi, and here as you can see it has started responding. So yep, that's it. You can add skills from here and install new skills as well. You can install MCPs, agents, or anything that you like. You can add anything, workflows, whatever you want. This is a very nice tool, so make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.